If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, fun, inspiration, we're real and we're educational. So today I am up by NCU. We are having a pre-recording of a December holiday concert, and it's the launch of Evince's EP as well. So I'll be hosting today alongside DL. For those of you who are on social media, you may know DL, and he is also from Island Kings and he's on TikTok, so I'll be hosting with him. And so I'll be just taking you along with me today to this side of what I do, showing you some behind the scenes, showing you some of the things that we get done while hosting, and just, you know, giving you a sneak peek into me as a host. I'm so excited, guys, because I'm so happy to be getting back into hosting. Oh, I'm so happy because, you know, COVID has really dampened that side of things. So still observing the protocols, but, you know, today's going to be a fantastic day. Stay tuned and make sure that if you're new to the channel, if you have not yet done so, subscribe and become a part of the Couplings family. And of course, make sure that you like the video and leave us a comment. Come with me. So this, guys, is in between takes. Production takes a lot, as you may imagine. It's much harder than a live show because you literally have to get it right. On a live show, you know, you have room to make mistakes and people forgive you easily. But when you are producing, it's a whole different ball game. So stars in the bright sky, look down where we little Lord Jesus, asleep in the So we're halfway through the recording, and it's been a great recording so far. Flavia has already gone to Malik Smith, and We have Rhoda to come, Evans, who they are releasing their EP. So it's just a wonderful time to be outside. We outside. Yes, we outside, and I'm so happy. It kind of feel like we're getting back to some sense of normalcy. And for that, I am grateful. I am very grateful. It feels good to be outside and emceeing. So I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far.
Oh yeah. So Lord, you said and I believe it. I'm still breathing. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Finally finished the recording. It was amazing. Oh my god, it was so good, and I'm looking forward to the show. I know it's going to be amazing. So I'm taking off my heels that I had on for the past 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. Whew, my feet, yeah, hallelujah. Putting on my flats so I can drive. So yeah, that was just a little part of my day. I'm sure that we'll join this with something else in terms of what I'm doing. So I'm going to head home. I'm going to run a few errands before I go home. But that's it for me here. So stay tuned, guys. The vlog is not over yet. I'll have some more snippets of my day as we outside. Guys, I'm going into Fontana. Trying to fix my slippers. I'm going into Fontana because I want to get some cosmetic stuff. Because I wanna pull out my hair and stuff. So I'm gonna make a quick stop and then finish up my errands. It looks a lot like Christmas already.
Hi, my name is Tariq, and we do natural juices, blends, juices by design, smoothies, punches, and juices. We're located at Boulevard Shopping Center, across from Payless Shop 31.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.